Subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix problem when you just see unexpectedly found nil when I'll unwrapping optional values. So for example, like this, if you do things like this, so why you can see this error? Here you can see it. Fatal error, unexpectedly found nil while unwrapping an optional value. So first thing, you can also just, you need to understand that if you initialize optional value, you need to add some value to it. So if it hasn't any value, so you will receive this error. So you just need to add some value to it. So for example, like this. And now if we just rebuild it and run, so here you can see it. So we can also see our value. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like on my